Last episode, you carved one frame into pieces with lock, eloc, and boolean masks, picking the rows you wanted. But selection only answers which rows. The real question in ML is what's true per group, average spend per region, count per class. That's group B, split, apply, combine, and it's the single most used line you'll write against tabular data. Picture your rows as colored cards on a table, each tagged with a category A, B, or C. Right now, they're shuffled together. The first move of group B is split. Pull the cards into 3 stacks, 1 per category. No math yet, just sorting by the key into separate piles. Now apply. Take each stack on its own and reduce it to a number. Mean for the average, count for the size. The A stack collapses to 1 mean and 1 count. So does B. So does C. 3 independent piles become 3 little summaries. The apply step never mixes groups together. Last move, combine. Stack those per group summaries back into a single small frame. 1 row per category, columns for mean and count. A dozen messy rows became 3 clean ones. That output frame is your feature table, the thing you feed a model or sort to find the top group. And sorting closes the loop. Once each group is one number, sort values ranks them instantly. Highest mean on top. In one breath, you've gone from raw rows to group B wins, which is exactly the kind of feature and answer ML pipelines run on, millions of rows at a time. Here's the whole thing seeded. We make a frame with a category column and a value column from default RNG7, then run one group B called ContactG to get the mean and count per category. No loops anywhere. We build the frame first, 30 rows, cat drawn from A, B, C and a numeric value column. The seed 7 fixes every draw, so your frame is byte for byte mine. Same categories in the same order, same values. The hero line df group in the scat, agmin on a value mean, count value on a count. Named aggregation, each output column says exactly what it is. Split by cat, apply mean and count to value, combine into a tiny result frame indexed by category. Then sort values, mean, ascending false, ranks the groups by their mean biggest first. This is the apply then rank move. The combined frame is small enough that sorting is free and the winner pops to the top row. Run it. The terminal prints the sorted summary, 3 rows, the mean and count columns, and the headline grabs the top group's mean straight from eloc. The counts sum back to 30. Every original row landed in exactly one group. Then the reproduce check, rebuild the frame from the same seed, run the same group B, and assert frame equal, identical to the digit, plus an assert that the number on the figure equals the number in the terminal. Figure, sat out and headline are one truth. That's the workhorse. Split, apply, combine, sort, raw rows to a ranked feature table in one line. Group B leads at its mean value. Next episode, we stop summarizing one frame and start combining two, merge, join, and reshaping with pivot and melt.